Hello, my name is Jean-Paul. I'm the founder and CEO of B&B Support, but soon to be known under the new name Huswell. B&B Support is a property management company which services vacation rentals, B&Bs and apart hotels. As the name implies, we try to minimize the owner's labor, maximize the revenue, and do this via an innovative, transparent and digital tech stack powered by big data to become the actual bridge between host and guest. Minute devices are one of these to achieve this accomplishment. Today, we are mainly operative in Belgium, the entire coast, Brussels, Antwerp, Ghent and Bruges. We are also having pilots in Italy and Spain. Mid-2020, we started using Minute to achieve a better state of mind. We mainly use Minute to monitor excessive noise, following up on the correct amount of guests, the temperature and so much more. Installing is a breeze and is performed by different internal roles. We also love the fact that the devices are battery powered, giving us the flexibility in placing them exactly where we want. Battery life is the next question, I can imagine. But I can assure you it's awesome. We currently achieve 6 to 8 months of battery life on one single charge. Last summer, Minute helped us prevent a guest stay from becoming a real party. The device picked up a lot of excessive noise, movements and phone signals, which triggered the automated warnings to the guest and my property managers. They were able to take the right action and make sure that the guest stay didn't become a party. We were very happy and the owner was very happy. The guests accepted and left according to rules. We appreciate Minute so much that we have a company policy to install 1 Minute device in every single listing we manage. This to ensure ourselves, owners and property managers a great state of mind. I would recommend it to every other property manager worldwide and thank you for your partnership.